Okay, here is my wife's bra supporting a volunteer pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern I do believe. Look at this. Holy cow. I don't know why I get so excited. Something about volunteer plants that just seem to do so well. It's about, I think it's August 8th today. I've got got this little 10 by 40 in-ground garden. In-ground, of course it's in-ground. Got some corn back there. I've got 40 feet long. I got some potatoes, Yukon Golds in the middle. Those are about ready to harvest. I think we'll do that this weekend with the grandkids. And I got some indeterminate tomato plants on the other end there, and they are doing wonderfully. I also got some okra over there. I'll show you those in a minute. But anyways, this pumpkin, fantastic. Loving it. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to get my wife's bigger bra, I think, for this thing in a couple of weeks. Holy moly.